Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi barakatuh. Students, today I am going to teach you chapter number 5, Heat, part 3. We are going to cover the topic regulation. To understand this topic, I would like to give you some examples. What do you observe in this video? A sharp object, that is the round knife, is being used to cut the soft dough. So, when a sharp object comes in contact with the material, it cuts the material into two equal halves. So now we will study the regulation topic with the help of this figure. Firstly, we will understand the model of the figure and then we'll note the observation and finally conclude it. As you can see in this model, we are taking an ice slab and we put equal weights in two ends through metal wire. So through metal wire, we hang this metal wire and attach two weights in both the ends. So students, what is the possibility that could happen over here? The metal wire would cut the ice into two equal halves, but here that is not the case. The metal wire penetrates inside the slab and cuts the piece from the top. The ice melts in the top, reforms into ice when the pressure is low. This way the metal doesn't cut the slab fully. So the metal wire cuts only a part of a portion of ice from the top, and when it reaches to the middle of the ice, then the top part which it has been cutted again joins and forms into ice. So the condition, the phenomenon in which the ice converts to liquid due to applied pressure, that is the pressure is applied through the metal wire and then reconverts to ice once the pressure has been removed, is called as regulation. Students, you can even remember this definition by referring to this flowchart. The condition and phenomenon in which the ice converts into liquid when the pressure is being applied, the temperature decreases from 0 degrees Celsius and the liquid reconverts back to ice when there is no pressure. Keeping the temperature constant at 0 degrees Celsius is called as regulation. So the next topic is anomalous behavior of water. We would study this topic with the help of a diagram. You can see in the first figure, it indicates the water particles which is loosely packed and it is big in size. The temperature is 27 degrees Celsius. So when the temperature is being decreased, what happens is that the water particles tends to get contracted, which is the very normal behavior of water. So when the temperature is decreased from 27 degrees Celsius to 4 degrees Celsius, the water particles contracts and becomes small. Following next, when the temperature is further decreased from 4 degrees Celsius to 0 degrees Celsius, you can observe that there is an unusual behavior of water. The particles, rather than to get contracted more, they start expanding and becoming big. So this is called as the anomalous behavior of water. So from 0 degrees Celsius, when the temperature is kept constant, the water particles keep on expanding. We state this as anomalous behavior of water, a very unusual behavior of water. Liquids expand due to heat and liquids contract when cooled. If water is heated from 0 degrees Celsius up to 4 degrees Celsius, it contracts instead of expanding. The behavior of water between the temperature from 0 degrees Celsius to 4 degrees Celsius is called as anomalous behavior of water. I would like to share certain facts related to this topic. Do you know NASA has discovered water in the form of ice on the moon? And you know what? A 2.6 billion year old water pocket was discovered in a mine 2 miles below the Earth's surface. The third fact is, in developing nations, women and girls are primarily responsible for collecting water. On average, 25% of their day is spent on this task. Collectively, South African women and children walk daily distance equivalent to 16 trips to the moon and back to fetch water. So students, I would like to suggest you that try not to waste water and conserve water. By this, we come to an end of this video. Jazakallahu khair for connecting with me throughout this video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi barakatuh.